We've got a beautiful 330-gallon offset roll now shop today. This one going to my man John down in the great state of Texas. You know we love all y'all Texas folks. John's got a sharp rig here. So this is our standard patina finish on this rig. And he's got a nice tank here, guys. We got a ton of tanks here at TMG. When you put your order in, when your build comes up, we'll send you a picture of all our tanks. You pick out the one you want. We do all our metal work to it, clean it up, lock it in with some clear coat, looks sharp, all right? But he didn't stop there. He got a bunch of upgrades on this bad boy. As you can see, it is on our off-road package. Not only that, but it's on our XL wheel and tire package. That's a 15-inch wheel. He's got the bronze matrix for mods, 29-inch mud tire. I mean, you don't have to have mud tires on your pit, guys, but it is badass, so let's face it. Up front here, he had us do 2 stainless steel shelves. On the doors, he did add the counterweights. Guys, on 330, you about have to do the counterweights. The doors do get heavy on these big smoker. As you can tell, this sucker's long, all right? Inside, of course, we've got dual sliding top grates here. 3 racks on the bottom. The bottom racks are removable. We do have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. You can see our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers there. And the fold down stack as well. That is standard on every tank smoker, all right? Another standard piece of equipment is the insulated firebox, all right? That's right, no upcharge for the insulated firebox. That's how it comes. The door's insulated, front of it's insulated as well. We use a 3/8 thick pipe on the inside, so that's not gonna burn out on you. He did add D-ring tie downs, one on all 4 corners. Makes it easy to strap down. So guys, that is my man John's 330 heading down to Texas. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.